Okay.
Okay, so the first part is about electricity. Second part is about the water. Okay, for this machine, it needs distilled water, zero mineral. So therefore, you need to get a distilled water maker. For this distilled water maker, it will produce two and a few liters. 1 hour it produces 1 liter or less. Okay, so this is what we have done for the distilled water. This is the container. If you are not sure the water whether it fulfill the TDS, that means that TDS cannot be more than 30. This is the pen that you use to test it. So if the pen indicate more than 30, it's good for you to change. That means this water are not safe for the machine. It will spoil the machine. So as I test this, let me test. Can you? Just I actually fill the water from here to the jug. I have tested this. Hey, do you see the number?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Can you go down? Yeah, it's 0 now.
0 still. Okay. That's how indicate it. If 0, that means it's no
Zero.
No purity inside. No impurity. Okay, now, but if you use the distilled water, usually is less than 5 or 0, as we seen just now. Now I take this jug and I open. So you can come closer and see. You can see. So usually you fill up to half. Half must be less than 2/3. Let me fill on half. Okay. So I close it and let me wipe it out. And I need another one. Apparently, this is not sufficient. I'll do the same for the second tank. Okay. Close it. Off it.
Oh, off it.